Well, the campaigning for the Delhi Assembly elections is scheduled to end at 5 p.m. today. Delhi witnesses a tough competition between the Congress, BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Top leaders of major parties are attempting to woo voters by making an array of promises and spelling out their vision for the city on the last day of campaigning today. The polling for the 70-member assembly will be held on the 4th of this month and counting will take place on the 8th.
Well, this is the first time that Delhi elections are going to be contested with three parties. It's a try contest for the first time. It's always been BJP versus Congress, but now Aam Aadmi Party is giving a serious fight to Congress and BJP because they believe they have developed inroads in this city and their surveys have been telling that they'll get more than 35 seats. So this makes the entire Delhi election very, very complicated and interesting because we've seen in past it's either ways. Now Aam Aadmi Party is something which is being closely watched by BJP as well, because BJP thinks that any anti-incumbency factor which has been there against the Congress would be divided into two halves. It will go to Aam Aadmi Party and it will also go to BJP. In that way, there is a possibility that Congress may take an edge as far as this fight on Delhi is concerned. And Congress is hopeful that they have done good work. People will vote for development.
Opposition parties are naive, they do not know what they are saying, or they are deliberately misguiding the people. This, I say, and I say it with humility, is a government which is sensitive to the needs of the people.
जिस तरीके का माहौल आप देखते हैं, कभी सोचा था आपने 1.5 साल पहले 2 साल पहले कि ऐसा भी कभी कुछ होगा?
हमने तो कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था राजनीति में जाएंगे और कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था चुनाव लड़ेंगे.
What is it about this entire campaign, Arvind, that you believe that it has generated certainly this kind of traction which it seems to have generated?
ये सच्चाई की जीत है. कई लोग जब शुरू में आपको याद होगा जब हम बात करते थे, लोग पूछते थे कि तुम चुनाव कैसे लड़ोगे, तुम्हारे पास तो पैसा नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास तो मसल पावर नहीं है. हम कहते थे हमारे पास सच्चाई और ईमानदारी है, तो लोग मजाक उड़ाते थे. हाँ वो तो है, लेकिन किसी ने ये नहीं सोचा कि इसमें कितनी ताकत है. वो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हर एक के दिल में झंझनाहट पैदा करती है.
राजस्थान, छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, उन तीनों के मतदान की रिपोर्टों के आधार पर हम ये कह सकते हैं कि तीनों जगह भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बन रही है. और इस चुनाव प्रचार के आधार पर मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि 4 दिसंबर को दिल्ली भी इसी श्रृंखला में जुड़ने वाली है. आप पार्टी को वोट देने का मतलब वोट गंवाना है.
I told you the other day also that I am fully confident. I can use a better word now that I am thoroughly confident about it.
So the Aam Aadmi Party's survey says that they would be able to get between 38 and 50 seats. Do you think their confidence is misplaced?
I can do a survey and I can say I have done a survey and I am getting 71 out of 70 seats. Does it make any sense? I am seeing the response of the people and the response of the people is tremendous. It is just overwhelming and people want to get rid of the corrupt Congress at any cost and they are giving us total support.